your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark. Though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
There are about 400 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy, and as many as 500 billion galaxies in the universe. That is a lot of stars in outer space. It is almost impossible to count exactly how many stars are in the entire universe. Do you know what star is the closest to our planet Earth? That's right. The sun is a star. Our sun gives us all of our light during the day. Sometimes it hides behind the clouds. But it also makes the moon shine. The moon does not have its own light. It only reflects the sun's light. That's why we see it glow. The closer we are to the sun, the warmer the planet is. That's why we have really warm weather during the summer, because our planet is very close to the sun in our orbit. And when our planet is farther away, we have winter because it's so cold because we're so far away from the sun. Stars range in color depending on how hot they are. The lowest temperature stars are brown. Then a little hotter, they get red. Then orange. Then a little hotter than orange, they're yellow. Then a little hotter than that, they're white. And the hottest temperature stars are blue. Our sun is classified as a G2 yellow dwarf star. So it is not too cold and it's not too hot. It is just right for us on our planet. Besides our sun, the nearest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri. It is about 4.2 light years away. This means it takes the light from the star 4.2 years just for us to see it on Earth. If we wanted to try to visit that star ourselves, our fastest spacecraft would take over 75,000 years to get there. That is just how big our outer space is. The light from stars takes millions of years to reach Earth, so when you look at the stars, you are literally looking back in time. Stars are massive, bright spheres of very hot gas called plasma, which is held together by its own gravity. Stars radiate energy from nuclear fusion, which is a process that takes place in a star's core and involves hydrogen fusing, also called burning, to make helium. Remember, helium is the gas we fill balloons with to make them float. Big stars like supergiants and hypergiants have shorter lives as they consume their fuel at a faster rate than smaller stars. As these massive stars die, they explode as massive, bright supernovae. Very heavy stars that have gone supernova can actually turn into black holes. Despite the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, stars do not actually twinkle. They only appear to twinkle due to turbulences in the Earth's atmosphere deflecting the light that reaches our eyes. Have you ever seen a shooting star? Did you know that they are not stars? They are actually small, rapidly moving meteors burning up on entering the Earth's atmosphere. So that's why they look like they're shining like a star. And they look about the same size because they are so close, and real stars are far, far, far away. Sometimes a group of stars can form a recognizable pattern. These are called constellations. Typically they are named after its apparent form or identified with a mythological creature. Modern astronomers divide the sky into 88 constellations with defined boundaries. Have you ever seen the Little Dipper or the Big Dipper? How about Orion's Belt? Do you like watching the stars appear in the evening sky? I do. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.